In this video, I'm going to show you a problem that's not only on the Element, but it's pretty much on every single car out there. And I'm talking about the blower motor. Now, I'm going to go ahead and turn on the blower motor and listen to this noise. Turn it up. Do you hear that rumble? Let me get that mic a little bit closer to the blower motor. Lower the speed. And I turn it off. And you hear that? So it just seems louder than it normally is, and it's got kind of a vibration to it. Now, a lot of people would just replace it. I'm going to take it out of the car, and let me show you what happens to these. All right, so the first step is to remove that kick panel so you can get to the blower motor. I've got two trim tools here. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use. Will work better, and if you don't have them, no big deal. That kick panel just pulls down. Let me show you how that works. So here's the kick panel here. I'm going to go ahead and just take this and find a slotted area. Pull down, come over here, pull down, and I'll use my hand here and pull the last one down. And then these are the clips right here. And they just pull out, and then the panel just pulls on out, and we'll put that aside. And then right here you can see this is the blower motor. So this is what we're after. All right, so the blower motor comes out pretty easy. All you need is, looks like it's a T20 Torx bed. Let's go ahead and get under here. And there's one here. And pretty simple deal. And there's only 3 of them. So there's one. There's one over here. There's 2. And then we have our connector right here, and that's comes out pretty easy. You just push there and pull it out. And then these 2 are going to be holding it on. And have you ever noticed on some of these sockets, there's a 6mm, and you never used a 6mm? Just take the end of that 6mm and push it in the backside, and that'll pop it right out. And the same over here. Push it in, pops it right out. You get that wire out of the way. And then the last one is right here. Let's go ahead and put our T20 Torx 20 bit. Get this off and see what's wrong with it. I already know what's wrong with it. I've done a lot of these in my time. So last one's out. And we're coming down. And looky here. What's this? Looks like a receipt of some kind. So let's pull this up. Let's go ahead and take a peek at this. So paper gets sucked into these all the time. And this looks like a gas receipt. So you'll find paper, you'll find leaves, you'll find all sorts of things inside here. But other than that, this is going to work out just fine. So now all I need to do here is go put this back on. Let's go ahead and get back up here. Get our screw. Grab another screw. Go ahead and tighten these up. Snug them anyway. That way it holds it. That last screw in. Where is it? I think it's right here somewhere. Oh, there it is, right there. One. Two. Three. And our connector. And then our wire. All right, let's try this out and see if it's any quieter. Get my mic over there. Already here it's quieter. There it is. If you have a blower noise, that's what's going to fix it. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching.